Hello learners, welcome to the complete ethical hacking course, Exploring Secrets of Hackers. In previous module, we have learned how you can use the tools to gather information about a target organization. That is also called a footprinting or information gathering part. Now we are proceeding to our next tool, which is netdiscover. Let's click on it. This is the netdiscover, and you can see these all are the options related to the netdiscover command. -R is for range of a scan of the IP address or range of IP address. So -L is to file scan the list of ranges. P is for passive scan. F for filter. S for time, count, ignore, enable sleep, etc. So let's try it two or three examples. So suppose I want to find one of my IP addresses, this one. Okay, clear net discover space -H net discover. It will tell you the IP address as well as the MAC address about a particular IP 192.168.211.0/24. Enter. Yes, as you can see that it is telling me the IP address related to that range, and these are the IP addresses, right? And these two are the MAC addresses of this particular IP. These are the MAC vendors that as I am running. These are now my VMware, so that's why it is telling me. So let's control C. Let's find out what you can see in passive mode. Common line targets and discover. It is searching in the passive mode. Just type netdiscover space -P. It will search the unique host available. So it's a very simple command to find out. Control C. /20 is for whole range of IP addresses. So as you can see, that's how you can find out the IP addresses related to your network. So that's how it is a really small tool, but it will tell you the IP addresses related to your network. So that's all about the netdiscover command. Netdiscover is used to find out the IP addresses related to your range. Find these two commands are important commands for netdiscover, and that's how you can find out the range of IP addresses in your